And if you ask any service provider, they will tell you the same thing. If the employer doesn't do their part, it's very difficult for the service provider to do their part well. Ask any adjuster, ask any case manager, ask any broker, ask any transportation company, ask any triage company, ask any service provider in the industry. If the employer is not doing their part, is not on board, it is significantly more difficult for the external, the service provider, the injury management partner to do their job effectively. If you're not getting your claims reported from a lag time standpoint, and on average 20 days, so you're 3 weeks almost late on average, and you're expecting your adjusters to do a really good job of investigating and documenting that claim, you're not holding up your end of the bargain. The paradigm needs to be shifted in terms of what the expectation is from the employer side. If the employer says, this is my employee, this person is supporting me, this is my system, this is my game plan, you're helping me run it, I'm dialed into this, this whole thing's gonna run. Whew, it's gonna be cooking with gas. If the employer says, you know what, isn't that why I hired XYZ claims organization? Because they're gonna do it all for me, and I'm done. I'm making widgets over here. Didn't you know that? I'm a widget maker. I'm focusing on widgets. That's where my efforts are. We got sales goals. We're expanding. We're acquiring this organization. We're trying to merge with another company. We got a lot of stuff going on over here. I have no interest in managing work comp. I have no interest whatsoever. That's why I hired XYZ service provider in order to do that for me. That's a recipe for disaster. That's a very common recipe for disaster. That's why the outcomes are poor. That's why costs are going through the roof. That general attitude,